Today we are looking at a Romi M27 by 80 inch CNC manual teach lathe. Fanuc 21 IT control. You can see we have the spindle running. Overall view of the machine. We have the rear panels out as we are still cleaning this machine. Coolant tank, steady rest, coolant pump, and in the box we have some plates for leveling. We are just starting to clean and go through the machine. We have the panels off in the back of the machine here. View from inside. Going around the machine now so we can show you X and Z axis. Tool post, we're getting plenty of oil everywhere. Ryan is running the machine. Just coming around the back side of the machine, the foot treadle, spindle motor, hydraulics, everything comes in one piece. Thank you for viewing our video at Machinery Works Incorporated in Belgium, Wisconsin.